how to remove a Microsoft account from your Dell laptop. So this will allow you to sign into your computer without using a Microsoft account. So you can basically create a local account on your computer instead, and this won't be linked to your Microsoft account. So in order to remove this, you first need to open up your Start menu, search for Settings, and then click on this window. In the left-hand side, select Accounts, and here you'll see that we're currently signed in to a Microsoft account. So in order to remove this, you'll need to scroll down and click on Your Info. You'll then see at the moment we're using a Microsoft account, but we can press Sign in with a local account instead. You'll get this warning message. Just go and press Yes. You'll need to enter your PIN code or password to make these changes, and then you'll have the option to create a new password to sign into your computer. Now you can leave this blank if you don't want to use a password. You can also decide to add a password hint as well, and then just go and press Next. You'll finally get this message, just press Sign Out and Finish. Once you're signed back in, click on the Windows icon. You can then click on your profile name, and as you can see, we're now using a local account, and we have now been signed out of our Microsoft account.